Preparing for MRCOG Part 3 doesn't always require you to be on the spotlight. Sometimes the most powerful learning comes from watching, listening, and absorbing at your own pace. The passive participation course is designed for candidates who want structured exposure to real exam scenarios without the pressure of live performance. With comprehensive course access, you gain entry to mentor led live task sessions where real candidates perform exam style 10-minute tasks under authentic MRCOG conditions. By observing multiple performances, you learn to identify common mistakes, examiner expectations, ideal phrasing, and time management strategies, all explained in real time by experienced MRCOG mentors. You receive a full access to session recordings, allowing you to revisit discussions, pause, rewind, and revise whenever it suits your schedule. The course includes 350 plus exam tested MRCOG task videos, giving you continuous exposure to high quality model performances across all domains. Your preparation is fully supported with complete reading library access, including exam style clinical tasks, examiner oriented answers, quick revision notes, and concise guideline summaries. Learning is reinforced through daily study group activities, mentor tips, exam strategies, and stress management guidance, helping you stay consistent and motivated. One of the biggest strengths of the passive participation course is cross batch exposure. You learn from multiple mentors, diverse candidate styles, and a wide range of clinical scenarios, broadening your exam readiness without added stress. Study anytime, anywhere, on your own terms, whether during on calls, commute, or quiet revision hours. And whenever you need help, 24/7 mentor and IT support ensures your learning experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. The passive participation course is ideal for candidates who want flexible, stress free, observation based preparation without compromising on quality or outcomes. Learn smart, observe deeply, approach MRCOG Part 3 with confidence through the passive participation course by Excel MRCOG.